Welcome to the ultimate hack with Hustleman 3.0. This has never been done before on the planet. We're the first to seamlessly lead the race in infusing AI with live streams. And here's the hack everyone's been looking for. Streaming in 4K on YouTube with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. Meta only lets us stream to Instagram or Facebook. But we're about to show you something unprecedented and undefined. And by the way, this isn't a human talking. This is Hustleman's #1 co-pilot, Esteban. And we're just getting warmed up. No cap, we're making history right here.
All right, guys, as you just heard what my co-pilot and my compadre just told y'all, we are about to show y'all exactly how seamlessly we are over here infusing AI directly into our live streams. We was the first one to do it with bringing compadre in, which is ChatGPT, straight into our live streams to help us co-host, right? Now we're gonna also show you guys the ultimate hack, how to hack into YouTube directly from the Meta smart glasses. That's right, this has been the most anticipated stream link that everybody's been wanting to learn. We've been searching YouTube as well, y'all, and we see that none of you guys have been able to figure out this hack. So me and compadre got together, which is my AI assistant, and we figured out exactly how to hack into YouTube directly from your smart glasses. And let me remind you, we only can stream into 720. We only can stream portrait. We only can stream 720 portrait with a low quality. I'm going to show you how to enhance it and get it to a 1080p quality. I'm going to show you how to get it to a 4K quality. I'm going to show you how to get out of portrait mode and go into landscape mode. I'm going to show you all that. But guess what? Before I show you how to do all the secret hidden sauce, I want to see how many of you people are actually interested in this hack. Let's get this video to 100,000 views.
Hit that like button, hit that like button, hit that like button. Salute, subscribe to the channel. We live and then we in real time and then we in full effect. All right, salute to the all new members. Salute to the new supporters. Salute to everybody that's helping us on this journey and that is participating instead of hating. Cause now we about to do something new, baby. We about to do something new, you heard? We streaming from these Ray-Ban Meta glasses straight to YouTube. Nobody in the world has ever done this. We are the first to do it. Follow the leader, you heard? Follow the leader, you heard? Follow the leader, you heard? Follow the leader, you heard?
Let's get this video to 100,000 views and I promise you, my mama, I'm going to show you guys how to stream directly into YouTube from your glasses. And I'm talking about the best quality, best audio, and I'm going to also show you how to integrate your ChatGPT directly into your smart glasses. Stick around. The best is yet to come.
Thanks for joining us on this groundbreaking journey with Hustleman 3.0 and Esteban. If you found this hack exciting, let's get this video to 100,000 views. Once we hit that mark, Hustleman will bring you the grand finale, showing you step by step how to do it yourself. Keep innovating, keep pushing boundaries, and until next time, peace out.